Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm introducing a series that I've been doing on my channel, but I just want to let you all know that I will be uploading these videos every Thursday, and the series is called The Importance Of, where I will be talking about the importance of doing certain things and the importance of including certain things into your life for the betterment of your life. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the importance of clearing your mind and how. In the hustle and bustle of our daily life, our minds become cluttered with worry, stress, and endless to-do lists. But clearing our mind is crucial for mental health, productivity, and overall well-being. When you clear your mind, you can think better with more clarity, you can make decisions better, and you'll feel more at peace. But you may ask yourself, how can I achieve this? How can I achieve a clear mind? Here are some steps to help you better clear your mind. Number one would be deep breathing. I know it sounds cliche. I know everyone says practice breathing, do deep breathing exercises, but believe it or not, it really does help. Take a few moments each day to practice deep breathing. Inhale slowly through your nose, hold it for a few seconds, and then exhale through your mouth. This is something that people actually don't often do. It sounds cliche to do, but people don't actually do it. When you take a moment and breathe, it releases stress. That hormone called cortisol that builds up sometimes, and when the levels get too high, it causes health problems, and it also can get in the way of thinking clearly. But deep breathing can help regulate that and can help to clear your mind. It also calms your nervous system and reduces stress, so it's a really good practice to try. Number two, mindfulness and meditation. Spend some time in meditation or practicing mindfulness. Being present-minded. I've said this before on my page. Being present-minded is actually extremely important. Sometimes when we're stressed, when we have a lot on our mind, it's due to things that may have happened in the day, things that may have happened in our past, or things that we're worried about in our future. But if we stay present-minded and only thought about the things that are necessary to think about in this moment, then that could also alleviate a lot of stress. Focus on the moment and let go of any distracting thoughts. This can help you find clarity and improve your concentration. Number three, journaling. I've mentioned this before, but journaling can be extremely helpful. It's gotten me through a lot of different hard times of my life. It helped me to clear my mind. It helped me to let out emotions that built up over time. Write down your thoughts and your feelings in your journal. Get yourself a book and begin with just a little paragraph every day. And the more you get used to it, the more you'll see the benefits of it. But when you write down your thoughts and your emotions and express them almost as if you're talking to someone, almost as if you're talking to a counselor or a therapist, and you're telling them your feelings, you're telling them how you feel, your emotions, your thoughts, and you're just writing down everything that comes to mind. When you're finished, it's almost like you can feel the release. It's a really good feeling, and I've gotten used to doing it over the years, and it's really helped me to release different thoughts that I have that's just packed in my mind. I'm an overthinker at times. Well, I used to be, but I've been able to control it a lot more through journaling and other things as well. This allows you to process your emotions and clear your mind of any lingering worries. So I suggest you give that a try as well. Number four, physical activity. Engage in a physical activity such as walking, jogging, or exercising. Me personally, I love to go on walks. Whenever I go on walks and I'm breathing in fresh air and nature and I hear the birds chirping, or I'm just not around the hustle and bustle of my everyday life, I can also clear my thoughts that way as well. So I suggest you go on walks more often. Go to the park or go to a place that's quiet and peaceful. I suggest somewhere in nature. Or even if you need to just go in your room and move around a bit. Sometimes I turn on music and I start moving around, exercising, dancing a bit, and it always helps to alleviate stress and different worries. You become so focused on what you're doing to where you're not thinking about those thoughts. You're not thinking about the past or worried about the future. You're not stressed out about everyday life situations. You're just letting it all go and flow out through exercise. Exercise helps to release endorphins, which can improve your mood and clear your mind. Number 5, digital detox. Take a break from screens and social media. I did this before in the past and it was so helpful. I actually did this a few times and it helped me to not think so much about what's happening in the world and what's happening with all of these other people, and it also helped me to clear my mind and not get myself so caught up with online activities. Sometimes it's nice to watch a movie or connect with friends or scroll a little bit, but too much of it can definitely add to your stress, or it could add extra thoughts that you don't need to have. It can pack your mind with useless information and it's detrimental to your mind. And so I suggest you take a break, maybe a one-day break or a whole week or even a whole month. However much time you think you need to spend away from social media, I suggest you do it. Spend some time disconnected from technology to allow your mind to rest and recharge. The same way your phone, if it's on for too long, it needs to charge. Well, if we're on for too long, we're doing too much, we're scrolling too much, we're watching too much entertainment, or we're socializing too much, eventually it's going to drain our battery and we need to recharge as well. So those are the 5 ways to clear your mind, and I really feel like it's important to do so because it really helps with your mental health. And the list goes on for ways to clear your mind, but it is extremely important. If you want to live a healthy life, if you want to keep your mental sharpness, if you want to be as productive as possible, it is important to clear your mind sometimes. Remember, clearing your mind is not a one-time event, but a continuous practice. Make it a part of your daily routine. You'll find yourself feeling more focused, calm, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a comment in the comment section below and feel free to leave video suggestions as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like.